They said the governor of Anambra State, where they call Governor Soludo, no be small thing, no. They say Soludo don't tell Anambra people the reason why Anambra no fit get a 24-hour steady light. He said that the oil where they for Anambra belong to federal government. No be small thing, no. And I don't see am. Say most of all these governors where they for inside Southeast, they work for Alahajri. they work for the get cabano. They get the people where they for Sh0ck where they tell them wetin to do. But however, I will go play the video, may you watch and hear them for your own mouth. Yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here, they bring you update back to back as they hot. They say that the governor of Anambra State don't finally tell Anambra the reason why they no fit get 24 hours light. That one no do because as una don't see am, say the governor of Abia State don't come outside. Say the Abia State you go dey get 24 hours light too. And all the whole governors now don't they run kitty, they run kata. Say be like say this man want spoil something for them. Now they come outside, they bring some kind of reason. They tell us why we Anambra no fit get their own stable light. But however, may the people from Abia State to look very well, very well. How many? Because some people come they ask where this money they come from, where they so to they spend. Some come they talk. It be like saying the federal government they pump the money because it be like say they see say the Abia State people now they strong for Biafra issue. Say may they pump money, shut up them. Tell they say their state don't do okay. Some people come say na lie, na less what they do. But however, what we need na good light and may our people enjoy the things what other people they enjoy for other country. So as my people, let's go and watch this video before we come back. Continue.
We're doing quite a whole lot on our own state. The electricity bill or law will soon be passed. But beyond just passing the law, we've worked hard to develop electricity policy that will create a vibrant market for everyone to operate. But we need to unlock one other thing that is in the exclusive list. That's gas. To have the electricity come out from the exclusive list into the concurrent legislative list without gas. Federal government still having a stranglehold on gas. But that's a challenge.
Anambra State Governor Governor Soludo giving reasons why Anambra State will not have their own IPP, like in Abia, where geometric IPP has been commissioned and is now providing 24-hour power supply to 9 local government areas in Abia State. You see, Nigerian politicians are very good at giving reasons, showing you obstacles that will make something not to work. If they spent half of the time finding ways around the obstacle, we wouldn't be here, would have been developed like other countries. In developed countries, they solve problems. They don't dwell on negatives or obstacles that make things not to work. They find solutions to make something to work. Except that thing is physically impossible to work. Once it is able to work, they must find a way, they must find a solution. Even before power generation was removed from the exclusive list, many governors and states were providing their own power. They generated their own power. Even Soludo's predecessor, Willie Obiano, used many diesel generators to power street lights around Anambra State when he was in power. When Soludo came in, he said that he would discontinue diesel generators because they become expensive to run. Instead, he chose solar street lights. But the problem with solar street lights is that they are not efficient. The batteries are not sufficient. They just last a few hours and they become very dim. They don't last up till dawn, about 6 a.m., thereby becoming ineffective, defeating the purpose for installing them in the first place. Also in Anambra, there are many trees in the outskirts of many cities that hinder the solar panels from charging the batteries sufficiently. So all these problems would have been mitigated if there is an IPP that is owned by Anambra State. Yes, like Soludo said, gas still belongs to the federal government. But why can't he find ways to negotiate with the federal government? At least Anambra has an oil company, Orient Petroleum. They can mine the gas. They are not looking to develop LPG here. That can be done later. They should just focus on natural gas to power the turbines that will supply power to Anambra people. After all, Alex Oti, the governor of Abia State, did the same thing. He showed leadership. He made sure that gas was delivered to the power plant, despite their laying the pipeline long ago. But he made sure, he showed true leadership. So Soludo should do the same thing, make sure he negotiates. Even Enugu State, Enugu has abundance of gas. Remember the other day, that was last year, some people were digging a borehole and they store gas. It took many days before they were able to quench the fire that came out from the hole. So all this should be exploited. You can't be sitting on an abundant energy source and be shouting that there is no power. You have to do something. You have to find solution. Negotiate with the federal government. Negotiate with NNPC, Nigerian Gas Company, all of them, to make sure you extract the natural gas to supply the power station. Okay, let's even assume that Soludo wouldn't need to start a new power station, that he wouldn't need to negotiate any gas deal to power the new power station. What leadership has he shown to the one that Obi Jackson is building in Okija? He's building a 1,000 megawatt power station in Okija that is supposed to supply power to Nnewi and environs. But the problem is there's no gas field nearby where he can source the gas to power the station. So what is Soludo doing? There's already an investor who is on ground with his own money trying to build a power station. Why not show leadership and help him negotiate and get gas nearby? Even if he's in the Anambra oil fields that he will get gas from, or nearby Obai in Delta State, wherever he's able to negotiate and get gas. Supply the gas to the power station so that Anambra people will have the needed power supply in order to develop. More industries will come into Anambra State if they have guaranteed stable power. So Soludo should stop giving excuses and start giving solutions. After all, that was his mantra when he was campaigning to be governor. He knows that with stable power alone in Anambra State, it will attract investors to Anambra State. It's a no-brainer. So find solution instead of complaining. After all, Alex Oti did it. He negotiated and broke the jinx. And a power station that started 20 years ago has been commissioned. Isn't that wonderful? So find solution. Anambra has a lot of gas. Find anywhere, even if it is the crudest way. Get any Chinese, any technical partner, anyone that is interested. Let them mine the gas, do the negotiations with the Nigerian Gas Company or NNPC and the presidency, whoever is involved. Get the job done. Don't give us excuses that it cannot be done. He knows that it can't be done is not in the dictionary of Anambra people. They don't take no for an answer. They always face challenges head on. Thanks for watching.
Light the choke. See, how many days now? Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. See as AC, everywhere just they chill. Everywhere they chill. Wetin person won't give her less what now, we go there enough. Wetin? Abeg o. This light there, it just dey totori me, they go. Lights, it choke.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you tell me what you think for this video. Do you think that Anambra will ever have a steady light? Let me tell you that Anambra have men's in Cannibal. They have Odogu them. We fit. Are they even here say one person don't build power plant for Anambra? But what is holding that power plant is gas. So why can't Soludo do, like as this my brother have said this, I've heard it here, do a deal with that federal government, even with federal government, if that is federal government that own the oil. But federal government did not own the gold in Zamfara. Federal government no own oil where they recover for north. Aye, so many resources where they for north. Federal government no own them, but the one where they for east, now they own them. Aye, brain no go kill us. But however, my people, may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and let us know what you think about this video. Share, very very important. Share so that other people go to get the information. They check on us, they talk about wetin dey happen. It is very important for you to share the videos. People will see you for the next update. You get why.